everybody, my name is Karen and I am the counselor here at Plexus. Welcome to the workshop on the path to become an engineer. In this workshop, I'll guide you through the steps that are necessary if you're interested in a career in engineering. And with that said, let's go ahead and get started. Let's start off with step one. Step one is the most common requirement, which is a high school diploma. You are going to need a high school diploma if you would like to pursue a higher education. A high school diploma will make you eligible to apply to a higher education program towards your desired degree. I strongly encourage for you all to look at your high school course catalog for any engineering subjects such as upper level math, science, or computer courses because these courses are related to engineering. So invest in yourself in these areas, especially calculus, discrete math, and physics, which is the best way to prepare for majoring in engineering. In that way, once you enter college, then you'll be prepared in pursuing engineering related courses. Of course, it is always recommended for you to pursue those AP courses in college or introductory college level courses in order for you to get college credit for those courses you took in high school. Step 2, choose an engineering subfield. There are a lot of engineering subfields and here is a list. Aerospace engineering, automotive engineering, chemical engineering, civil engineering, electrical engineering, environmental engineering, industrial engineering, manufacturing engineering, material science and engineering, mechanical engineering, petroleum engineering, and software engineering. Of course, this is a long list, so feel free to pause the video if you would like to look at these subfields more closely. You can also check out more information about these majors on our Plexus Majors page. Let's move on to step 3, a bachelor's degree and the fundamentals of engineering exam, also known as the FE. Let's move on to more information about these two. Focus on colleges with good engineering programs. For engineers, hands-on experience is what sets you up for success after graduation. So therefore, you should look for colleges that have project-intensive courses, engineering clubs, and a strong internship center. So that is, you should focus your research on colleges that have good engineering programs and that have a lot of internships and volunteer opportunities where you can get hands-on experience. According to the NCEES, which is the National Council of Examiners for Engineering and Surveying, the Fundamentals of Engineering exam is generally your first step in the process of becoming a professional licensed engineer. This exam is designed for recent graduates and students who are close to finishing an undergraduate engineering degree from an accredited program. This exam is also a computer-based exam that is administered year-round at approved test centers. So that is, once you are close to finishing your undergraduate degree, then you should consider taking this exam as soon as possible. Step 4, consider opportunities for advancement. Of course, it is always common that the higher education that you pursue, the more opportunities that will be available to you. Advance your career in engineering by pursuing a master's degree in the subfield of your choice. I did mention a lot of subfields in the beginning, so you can choose one of the subfields that you're mostly interested in. This can pave the way to increase earnings and high-level job opportunities that are not available to those with only a bachelor's degree. And finally, we have step 5, pass the principles and practice of engineering exam. This exam is different than the fundamentals of engineering exam. The principles and practice of engineering exam test for a minimum level of competency in a particular engineering discipline, so that is the discipline in which you are most skilled at. It is designed for engineers who have gained a minimum of 4 years post-college work experience in their chosen engineering discipline. Alright, we have reached the end of this workshop. Thank you everybody for sticking around. Before I leave, I'd like to let you all know to please download our Plexus app on the App Store or Google Play. If you download our app, you'll be able to receive instant notifications. We will also very much appreciate it if you leave us a rating and a review on the App Store or Google Play as well. We very much appreciate all the feedback y'all can give us. Chat with my counselor if you have any questions regarding this workshop or if you'd like to reach out about your journey to higher education. We're always happy to help in answering all of your questions as well. And finally, check out our Plexus YouTube page for more college readiness workshops. Our Plexus YouTube page is called Plexus Social Media. Thank you everybody again, and I will see you all in the next workshop. Bye.